If your erections aren't as strong as they used to be, don't blame your age. Blame your blood flow. Most men over 50 think that fading performance is about low testosterone or even losing desire. But in reality, the real problem is happening deep inside your arteries, silently robbing you of firmness and control. And here's the exciting part. Once you understand what's going on inside your blood vessels, you can actually fix it. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's really damaging your erections on a cellular level, the top 5 supplements that restore blood flow and strength, the top 5 foods that naturally deliver the same nutrients, and finally, how to combine them all into one powerful meal that transforms your vascular health and your performance. Before we dive in, let me ask, where are you watching from? I love seeing men from every corner of the world come together in this community. Drop your city or country in the comments and let's connect. And if you want more science-based, no-nonsense advice about men's health, confidence, and performance, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest threat to your erections isn't testosterone. It's not even desire. It's endothelial dysfunction, damage to the inner lining of your blood vessels. Inside every artery, including those that feed your penis, there's a thin layer called the endothelium. It acts like a gatekeeper, deciding whether your arteries stay open wide to deliver blood or stay stiff and narrow. When the endothelium is healthy, blood flows freely, erections are strong. When it's damaged, blood flow weakens, erections fade. And what damages it most? Not age itself, but years of insulin spikes from processed foods. Every time you eat bread, pasta, sugary cereals, fruit juice, fried food, your blood sugar shoots up, insulin surges, and over time your cells stop responding. That's insulin resistance. A 2018 review in Diabetes and Metabolism showed insulin resistance is one of the strongest predictors of erectile dysfunction. Why? Because it directly lowers nitric oxide, the very molecule your body depends on to relax arteries and fill erectile tissue with blood. So if you want rock-hard erections after 50, you need to protect and restore that endothelial lining, and that's where specific supplements and foods come into play. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a urologist and men's health specialist with 5 years of experience helping men over 50 restore their confidence, circulation, and performance. And I'll be honest with you, anyone can list a few bedroom tips, but what I share here is different. Every recommendation is rooted in peer-reviewed studies, urological guidelines, and real-world clinical results. So let's walk through the top 5 nutrients for rock-hard erections, first in supplement form, then in real whole foods. Supplement number 1, zinc. Let's start with the mineral of masculinity, zinc. Without zinc, your body literally can't make testosterone. And when testosterone falls, so does libido, energy, and firmness. A study in the journal Nutrition found that men with low zinc intake experienced significant drops in testosterone within just 20 weeks. Biologically, zinc fuels testosterone synthesis and keeps sperm healthy. Emotionally, men low in zinc often feel flat, unmotivated, and less confident. Practically, a supplement with 15 to 30 milligrams daily is usually enough. Supplement number 2, vitamin D3 plus K2. These two are a team, never separate them. Vitamin D3 boosts nitric oxide and supports testosterone. Vitamin K2 directs calcium into bones instead of letting it harden arteries. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men with low vitamin D had a 30% greater risk of erectile dysfunction, and K2 intake was linked to more flexible arteries. Biologically, D3 plus K2 keep your vascular system elastic and testosterone active. Emotionally, think of it as feeling younger, freer, more responsive. Practically, look for a combined supplement, about 2,000 to 4,000 IU of D3 with 100 micrograms of K2 daily. Supplement number 3, L-arginine. This amino acid is the direct precursor for nitric oxide. A randomized controlled trial in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that men supplementing with arginine improved erection hardness and satisfaction compared to placebo. Biologically, arginine relaxes and widens arteries, increasing penile blood flow. Emotionally, it helps you feel more reliable and in control. Practically, standard dose ranges from 2 to 5 grams per day, split into 2 doses. Supplement number 4, magnesium. Magnesium is the relaxation mineral. It calms smooth muscle and arteries, lowers cortisol, and prevents calcium buildup. A 2016 study in hypertension showed magnesium supplementation lowered blood pressure and improved vascular function. Biologically, better artery flexibility equals stronger erections. Emotionally, many men also notice reduced stress and better sleep. Practically 300 to 400 milligrams daily is safe for most men. Look for citrate or glycinate forms for best absorption. Supplement number 5, omega-3 fatty acids. From fish oil or algae, omega-3s reduce inflammation, improve endothelial health, and make arteries more flexible. A study in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men with higher omega-3 intake had significantly lower rates of ED. Biologically, they keep blood flowing smoothly. Emotionally, improve stamina, less fatigue, clearer thinking. Practically 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily of EPA plus DHA combined. Bonus supplement L-citrulline. One more worth mentioning, L-citrulline. Your body converts it into arginine, but more slowly and efficiently, which means steadier nitric oxide support. In a urology study, men with mild ED who took L-citrulline saw marked improvement in erection hardness. Practical dose, 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily. Now let's connect these nutrients to real foods, because supplements should support, not replace, a good diet. Grass-fed red meat, rich in zinc, builds testosterone, fuels libido. Raw cheese and egg yolks, packed with vitamin K2, and yolks also add vitamin D. Arugula and leafy greens, high in natural nitrates, converted to nitric oxide. Pumpkin seeds, loaded with magnesium, zinc, selenium for vascular plus prostate health. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Omega-3S plus vitamin D3 for inflammation and nitric oxide. Bonus food, watermelon, one of nature's richest sources of L-citrulline. So how do you put this all together? Here's a single powerhouse plate. A grass-fed beef burger topped with raw cheese, a side salad of arugula and leafy greens sprinkled with pumpkin seeds, a portion of grilled salmon or mackerel. And for dessert, a big bowl of fresh watermelon. This one meal alone delivers nearly every nutrient your arteries and erections depend on. And for men who want an extra boost, I often recommend a safe, science-backed supplement. Either a clean watermelon extract for steady nitric oxide, or a broader performance formula that combines icarian, horny goatweed, stamina, tongkat ali, testosterone, fenugreek, libido and energy, nettle root, prostate plus hormone balance, L-citrulline, nitric oxide support. Together, that stack supports circulation, hormones, stamina, and confidence. I want to pause here and remind you, if you've been struggling with weaker erections, you are not broken. You are not less of a man. This is biology. It's blood flow, it's chemistry. And with the right steps, it can be improved. Gentlemen, remember this. What's good for your heart is good for your erections. You don't have to accept decline. With the right foods, the right nutrients, and a little consistency, your body can bounce back, stronger, harder, and more confident than before. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe. That way we can keep building this community of men reclaiming their vitality. Age is not the end of passion. It's simply the beginning of a new chapter. And with the right support, this chapter can be powerful, free, and full of confidence. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. Take care of yourself because you are absolutely worth it. And I'll see you in the next one.